Yeah, we're going to say 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 5 factorial நடக்கும் 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 அதான். அப்போ இது ஒரு கீழ வாங்க. Okay, what is the value of 0 factor? 1. 1 factorial 1. So we have a condition set as 0 less than 0 value, will be not having any value, and if the value of sum equal to 0 will be printing value 1. Right, because 0 is 1. In case if it does not have any more than 1 of it, will be going for a factorial. Okay, we are going to define recursive factorial. It's some sort of case study. The fact one case study பார்ப்போம். இத பாருங்க, we are going to use the case in the form of recursion. And recursion எடுத்துறப்ப we are going to define recursion factorial. If n equal to 1, it returns the value n. What does it do? It returns kilo. Factorial kilo. It returns the value n. Next, in case it is not more than 1 value, what happens? It goes to else for where it is n star factorial of n minus 1. For example, 5 கொடுக்கிறீங்கன்னா 5 into factorial of n minus 4. அடுத்து என்ன 5 into 4 இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. அங்க நம்ம நம் வேல்யூ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோம் 7. Okay, what does normally do is it goes to the function, we are going to say a recursion of num. So automatically call the function. The function what happens, it checks whether n equal to 1. It is true. என்னோட வேல்யூ என்ன 7. என்னோட வேல்யூ நம் for you going to print num ஓட 7. ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் இங்க என்னது என்னோட வேல்யூ என்ன 7 equal to 1 condition false, so it goes to the part of else part. What does it do? 7 into factorial of n minus 6. 7 into factorial of this again goes 6 is not equal to 1, so it go to 7 into 6 42, and the it goes until till what it goes n equal to till n equal to 1. So automatically when n equal to 1, it returns the value of 5040 to the factorial of num is 7 is equal 1. In case you are going to give the value 0 minus, what does it do? It checks whether n is equal to condition false, so it goes to again it checks whether num is less than 0, condition true, so it prints the value factorial does not next to negative number. Okay, when you are going to give value to 0 equal to 1 condition false, so it goes to else part. 0 mention does not go here, again goes to else if num equal to 0. What happens? The factor of 0 is 1. Now when does this function runs properly? When num value is greater than 1, automatically this recursion function works, whereas when the num has values of 0 or 1 or negative, the recursion function doesn't work. Is it clear? This number is important. This is your final year placement. Is it clear? And a function is a doubt. Thank you. We have some sort of method recursion. Where does it use the term called recursion? Recursion in any use பண்ணுவீங்க. Where does it use the term recursion? Real time எங்க recursion யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? சொல்றவங்க தப்பா கரெக்டான சொல்ல யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Where does you use the term recursion? Day to day லைஃப்ல கண்டிப்பா நீங்க யூஸ் பண்றீங்க. கொஞ்சம் யோசிங்க எங்க இருக்கு? பரவாயில்ல தப்பா கரெக்ட் சொல்லலாம். Stand up. Sugar cane juice. How does you use the term? How does the recursion use in sugar cane juice?
Putting the sugar cane, repeating that until the juice comes.
Until the juice comes out. Yeah. Next one. Next. Do anyone use the term called ATM? What does ATM do? Some activity. How does this activity perform? Using the term until until the money comes, the card will be there. And the same function repeats until you take the card. For example, step 1, step 2, step 3 இருக்கு. Step 2, step 2, step 3 என்னது? Repeat ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும் until you give the choices. Okay, next thing. When you have a call center, you are going to call in a call center. What does it do? Then press 1 for this, press 2 for this, press 3 for this. After, in case you press the wrong number, what happens? It starts from again process. In this way, we will be using the term for recursion. இது வந்து நம்ம DT based எடுத்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம் recursion எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? DT based is something, but you are going to invest in nothing but same amount of money. For example, you are going to invest at 10 rupees in something where you get numerous number of profit, but always you invest in nothing but your same 10 rupees. Suppose 10 rupees becomes your same function, you are going to repeat a numerous number of times, but outcome something is nothing but it will not get same thing. This is what a recursion does in a real life. Okay, good.